you do the paint job in the middle of the winter, all you gotta do is just warm up your paint on the heater real quick before you do your paint job, and it doesn't matter that it's only 40 degrees out. Your paint's 80 degrees. Raining? That's no matter. It just kind of gives you a striped paint job, huh, Eli? Don't really know how to paint? That's cool too. Get yourself a professional painter. He'll work for free sometimes, even if you give him some kibble. Ain't that right, Eli? Oh, shit. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That's what I'm talking about. You don't know that backyard paint job when you gotta go fixing up insulation holes and stuff in a temporary little paint booth? What is that? What is that? I don't even know what that's all about. Hopefully, this is gonna end up being this beautiful red. Specifically, this beautiful red, and not this spray painted hood. But I mean, what you gonna do? Well, a good paint job starts with a good prime job. And it's all looking pretty decent so far, you know? Kind of just really inching along here. Ooh. That's rojo. Time to see what's underneath. Now I just have to paint the rest of the car. Oh man, that looks too good. We'll see what we can do about that hood, folks.